Hey everybody, it's Kristoph with Dusty Trails 4x4. Right now, we're at the property, getting ready to unload some stuff from the truck. These impatient people are waiting on a key. Oh, just so you notice, look, we have merchandise, see? So if you want to be fashionable and be part of the cool crowd, order some merch. Anyway, moving on. One of the nice things about this particular area is that seasons come, seasons go, rains come, rains go. Things turn green, things turn brown. But it seems like it's eternal. The only thing that changes are the ever encroaching housing out there on the edge of the view. Oh my goodness. Once upon a time, this whole high mesa was completely free of anyone, except there's a house right over there and then our house over here. That was it. Miles around, there was nothing out here. Now, whole neighborhood right over there. Got a guy with a boat right here, right on the edge of the property. Woo-wee. So, whatever. It is what it is. You can't stay isolated forever. Whatever. So, we're gonna unload these things here. Unload all this stuff in here. And, firstly, there's another desk like those that needs to come out, and it's got some photographic equipment sitting on top of it. We got to take that out, so I'm not going to show you that. I'm going to pause video until we're done with that. And you're thinking to yourself, man, he's just making a mess in the front yard, all this stuff that he's throwing out here. Yeah, well, once we get it all cleared out, the plan, see a couple dump tickets, because there's other stuff that needs to be cleared out as well, as you can see. And that may look terrible, but I see it as a pile of building material. That's going to become all sorts of stuff. Buildings, small buildings. Anyway, point being, gonna be like ants making trails back and forth to the dump site, taking all this trash out of here. And by the time we're done, hopefully we will have resurrected the paradise that once was and have a whole ton of chickens over there making little nuggets of protein that we can go sell at the farmer's market. All right, I gotta go help get rid of that one desk. So I'm gonna pause the recording for now and then come back to it here after a bit. Don't go nowhere. Enjoy the vista. Okay, welcome back. As you can see, wearing the hat, we got stuff out of the back which hasn't made it into the trailer yet. We did unload most of what was in here. There's still some stuff that needs to come out. We'll get to it. Okay. I like to say there's no hurry, but the rain acts like she's moving in tomorrow. It's like we still haven't replaced the floors. There's a couple walls that need to be rebuilt. Boy. Hey, Matt. Yeah. So things have been moved around. There's the plywood. And there's Lorraine putting contact paper on top of that thing. Say hi, Lorraine.
Huh?
Say hi. Okay. Window. Yes, very good. Trash. Very good. So there's 2 sheets of plywood down in the kitchen area. That desk is gone. And everything that went on it is over here somewhere. Whew, had to move things around a little bit, so it suddenly got cluttered again. Like I said, we had stuff in the truck that needed to come out, so it's right there, and right there, and right there. Yeah, so you know, oh, there's the enlarging thing that Ron wants. So we're keeping that. I'm going to put a screen on that. Photo enlarger. I'm going to put a screen on that because that one goes to that window. And that one goes to that window. Oh, these steps. Definitely gonna. I had a plan to take them apart and then put it back together again using some, what is that? Construction adhesive? Liquid nail? Yeah, that's it. Anyway, so Matthew and I moved this desk out here, I guess about 10-20 minutes ago, and then we did the thing with the plywood. So those 3 desks that were in the trailer, they had to come out. 1, 2, 3, including the machine parts. That's really it. Right now, I've got a few things in the back of the truck that need to go in. And that right there, which I guess that cabinet, 2-piece cabinet, that needs to go in. Well, that's kind of where we're at right now. I was running the generator a minute ago because Lorraine needed to use the vacuum cleaner. I'm getting ready to roll up the extension cord because we don't need it right now. And I'm actually enjoying a nice cool breeze. It's 90 something degrees out, but with that, the shade from the intermittent clouds and that nice cool little breeze, it certainly does feel a lot better. Let me tell you, this is day and night different from the, what was it, 110, 115 degrees it was a couple weeks ago, 108. And day before yesterday it was 101. Yesterday it was 99. Today it's like 97. You see there's a cooling trend. That's kind of good. Well, it is good. It just means the seasons are rolling around. Oh, what I really want to get done, not today, but maybe soon, is to get the stock wire around the chicken yard, as well as that, which is chicken wire, to go on the stock wire. Now, why are you going to put chicken wire on top of stock wire on top of T-post? Well, I'll tell you why. Glad you asked. I'll tell you why. It's because we live in an area where there are natural predators out here. We have everything from bobcats to weasels to coyotes, the occasional wolf. And on top of all that, we also have domestic dogs, which are the worst of all, actually, because they're not afraid of humans. And they smell prey, you know, like chickens. They'll go after them and they'll kill them just to kill them. They won't actually eat them, they'll just kill them.
Just for the sake of killing.
Yeah, just for the sport. Because, you know, domestic dogs learn a lot from humans, right? Anyway, so that's that. I want to get that fence up around the chicken yard. We're going to put up a tank right over here and run water from the well into the trailer, and that'll be that. And so, with all that being said, I'm going to let you go for today because I still got stuff to do. Remember, we got merchandise. Check it out. It's pretty cool, actually. Shirts, hats, beer cozies, bottle cozies, actually, and other stuff. It's really cool. Check it out. If you like watching me screw around and try to get stuff done, then like, subscribe, share, comment. If you have similar experiences that you want to talk about, please, you know, let me know. We can discuss it, and you never know. Maybe we can learn something from each other. All right, talk to y'all later.